Hey, first grade. Welcome to Science with Miss Conley. We have been talking about what are some things that happen during the day. There's Miss Conley soaking up some rays, and some things that happen at night. Look how peaceful I'm sleeping. Today, we're going to compare and contrast day and night with a Venn diagram. Here are our vocabulary words. I'm going to say the word and you're going to repeat after me. Sunrise, sunset, Venn diagram. And I'm going to take this out because we're not talking about telescopes, although I guess we could talk about telescopes with our comparing and contrasting. Okay, we talked about this a little bit last time. We talked about a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is two circles that you use to compare and contrast. So when we look at this right here, because we're going to be comparing and contrasting day and night, this section right here are things that only happen in the day. This section over here are things that happen only at night. And this middle part, this red section, that is what happens both in the day and night. So our question today is, how can we compare and contrast day and night? Now, yesterday we read a book, Day and Night. So I'm just going to briefly review the book that we read because we're going to use this information to compare and contrast what happens in the day and what happens in the night. So I'm just going to quickly review. Let me think. From day to night. In the day, do we always see the sun? How about at night? Do we ever see the sun at night? What color is the sky in the day? And what color is the sky at night? Are both day and night a pattern? Like a cycle? That sounds like it's the same. Here's our pattern. Here's our cycle that happens every 24 hours. What are the things that we can use our senses with that only happen in the day or only happen at night, or maybe both? Sun rays. Is that only during the day? Do we ever see sun rays at night? The afternoon. Does that happen during the day or does that happen at night? We talked about sunset and sunrise. Does that only happen in the day or does that happen at night? At night. The moon. Can we see the moon during the day? Can we see the moon during the night? I'm thinking of lots of things that I can fill in my Venn diagram. Look what happens at night. The types of things that you can see. Bats. Do you see bats during the day flying around? We also talked about clouds. Do we see clouds only in the day, only at night, or both? And then we talked about telescopes. When do we use telescopes? Do we use them during the day? And here we go back to our Venn diagram. Okay, you're going to now go ahead and pause this video and you're going to have conversations about things that only happen in the day, only happen at night, or both. Things that happen both during the day and at night. Okay, boys and girls, now that you've had time to have conversations, let's take a look at the Venn diagram. These are some things that Miss Conley thought of, but you might have thought of something different. I know in the daytime, we only see the sun. We do not see the sun at night. I know in the daytime, we see the sun rise. That's actually the start of a new day when we see the sunrise. At night, we only can see stars. You do not see stars during the day because we said that the sun is so bright, we cannot see the stars. At night, we see the sun set. And again, that is a sign that it is becoming nighttime. Your parents might say to you, come home when the sun starts to go down, which is the sunset, because that's when it starts to get dark. Now, things that happen both during the day and night go in this section. And during the day and night, you can see the clouds. At night, you can see them lots of times in the sky when there's a moon, and you can see the clouds passing by because the moon is so bright, you can see those clouds. And of course, you can always see clouds during the day. And also, during the day, you can see the moon, and you can see it at night as well. It's a little bit harder to see it during the day, but when it's a full moon, you can definitely see it, and the sky is clear. You can see it during the day. It's pretty cool. All right, Miss Conley has some extra slides. I even put my name here. Let's see if our other coworkers or our other teachers might fill in their Venn diagram differently. Okay, so we went ahead and compared and contrast day and night. Here is your assignment today. Talk to an adult about the similarities of the day and night and also the differences. So Miss Conley's going to put that in there. Talk to an adult about the similarities and differences of day and night. Good luck, boys and girls.